Hey there, I'm going to be explaining YNAB's rule number 1 today, and that is giving every dollar a job, the most important rule in my opinion. Now, when you get paid, there's two things that you can do with your money. You can either go out there and spend lavishly on all kinds of stuff, realize that you still have bills to pay, but no more money left to pay them, right? That's not an ideal situation. A second option would be to sit down with your money at the beginning of the month. Well, standing really is better if you haven't tried that yet. And then decide where you want your money to go. So you can pay all your bills and perhaps still have some left over. And that's really when you are taking care of business every day. Oh, well, I don't know about you, but I'd rather have no money but bills paid rather than no money to pay bills. Get it? Oh. Well, what if you have a really big bill, right? Well, we're going to cover that in the second rule. But for now, go out there and give each one of your dollars a job. They'll thank you for it. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.